Hi, I'm Walmart Chef Darcy Boss, and we're going to be making healthy, edible cookie dough. This is another installment in our kid-friendly food series. Let's get started. Almond flour, peanut butter, coconut sugar, chocolate chips, salt. Add your peanut butter to a bowl and combine with coconut sugar. Make sure to mix really well. Add in your salt and flour. Mix until nice and combined. Add in your chocolate chips and stir. Roll into balls and place on a cookie sheet to refrigerate. You can also melt down some remaining chocolate chips, add your cookie dough ball, roll it in the chocolate, and place back on the cookie sheet and refrigerate until firm. Enjoy! Thanks for watching. For more recipes, check out our Walmart Chef series on YouTube.